to set up Google Drive. First, you want to simply open the Google Drive application over here, or if you are using the Google Drive website, you can simply visit the Drive website as well. However, I'm just going to open the Google Drive website, and by doing so, you'd be able to immediately see your files over here if you have uploaded any kinds of file. However, if you are logging into your account for the first time, you can simply go to the profile over here, and inside your profile you'd be able to find a lot of accounts that are available on your device. You'd be able to switch your account from here as well. However, there's a shortcut to switch your account as well. You can simply swipe down on a profile over here, and by doing so you'd be able to switch your profile as well. And if you have any kinds of file uploaded, you'd be able to find it over here. And if you want to upload it, you want to simply tap on this plus icon, and you'd be able to upload your file over here. You'd be able to open your Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Docs, and you'd be able to scan your pictures as well. If you want to open any kinds of folder, you'd be able to do so from here as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.